Peterboro Matboards operates a state-of-the-art 75,000 square foot manufacturing facility just 1.5 hours from the city of Toronto, Ontario. The company was founded in 1902, and back then, Peterboro manufactured products such as poster board for mounting movie and display posters, show card, used by sign painters in retail department stores, and photo mounts that were used after the release of the Eastman Kodak Brownie camera, which in the year 1900 made photography available to the everyday consumer. Today, Peterboro is one of only a handful of manufacturers worldwide that produce a full line of matboard products, as well as an extensive line of illustration boards, which are commonly used by students, artists, and architects around the world. For every level of matboard quality, Peterboro has an extensive product offering, from our 100% cotton museum, conservation, and white core, to our designer fabrics, black core, and economy cream core. Peterboro is recognized worldwide for the outstanding quality that each product has to offer. It is through each employee's dedication that our company motto, quality, value, and design, can truly be achieved.